Well, today is a little bit of a sad day. We say goodbye to another family member. As you know, in my life, bikes come and go. No, it's not the Harley. It is not. Take it easy. But we are going to say goodbye to the BMW. The BMW has been sold.
All aboard!
Been sold to a great guy in Perth by the name of Paul. Paul, I wish you all the very best for happy riding and happy years ahead on this beautiful special bike. There's only a couple of these in the country in that specific form. She has been a beautiful bike. I've really enjoyed the 2 years that I've had. Let's take one final look and maybe a little quick walk down memory lane. The truck's about to get here. She's going to embark on a big journey all the way from Sydney to Perth. She'll be on the road for probably 3.5 weeks on the truck to arrive with her new owner, Paul. So let's just take a look at her one more time. Well, I've never done one of these videos before, so I thought I would do my maiden video of my new BMW GTL 1600, 2018 model. This is so hectic. I'm going to get the drone up here. These communities need to be supported. Come down, stay a night, get out of Sydney for a night. I'm just gobsmacked. So if I just lock it. There you go. Does yours have central locking?
Yeah, with the key.
Anyway, that's your glimpse of the Paddington State Forest. I'm quite happy to never come back.
Hey, I'm Mary, Therese.
How are ya?
Good.
Jump in.
What a place to die.
He dragged her body all the way down there, covered it up.
Like he was ashamed. It's the same guy. I knew there were more bodies here. I knew it.
I do think it is fair to say that there is a serial killer at work.
We're setting up a task force that we'd like you on it.
This is where we know our killer has been. Paddington State Forest.
I just can't help but feel how frightened these victims would have been coming out here with some madman. Still saying it's 15 minutes from here.
Looks like he's growing more comfortable with what he's doing.
He's solving the land. We go after this bloke. Hard.
I'm here with John. That's his luggage. The bike's about to go. So John, are you going to Perth?
I'm not, mailing
only going to Sydney. It jumps on another truck to go over to Perth, but never leaves our company. So
There you go. So you're not going across to Nullarbor, mate?
no, don't have to go through the borders either. So,
There you go. So let's see you get up on the rise. There we go, and just like that, she's off to a new home. Paul, please take care of her and have lots of fun. You know, it is the Rolls Royce of the roads, that bike. There is no question about it. And whilst I didn't do too many kilometres on that bike, it was around about 5,500 thereabouts. They were very pleasurable, those 5,500. Yeah, well, it's just you and I, pal. It's just you and I.